Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, today's topic sounds simple, but it's very useful.
That's right, Paul. Today, we will talk about body parts in English. We use these words every day.
Charlie, this morning I hurt my foot while walking. It made me think about body words.
Oh no, I hope your foot is okay. See, friends, this is real life English.
Yes, and when we know these words, we can explain our problems easily.
Let's start simple. This is my head. I use it to think and learn.
Good one. These are my eyes. I use them to read English words.
And these are my ears. I listen carefully when learning new sounds.
That's true. I feel the same. Listening helps a lot. Now these are my hands. I write and practice with them.
Exactly. And we walk with our legs and feet. Friends, try to say simple sentences like, my hands are tired, or my eyes are happy.
Yes, don't make it hard. Short sentences are enough.
Paul, sometimes students feel shy speaking English.
That's true. I understand that feeling, but using daily words builds confidence.
Right. Body parts are easy words. You already know many of them.
And you can practice at home. Look at yourself and say the words aloud.
Learning English is like our body. Every part works together.
Yes, your mind thinks, your mouth speaks, and your ears listen.
Be kind to yourself. Learn slowly, one word at a time.
That's the key. Small steps bring big success.
Thank you for learning with us today. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.